I've been on the bench 15 years this August. We do probably on average 125 to 150 hearings a week, so that probably averages to about 4,000 a month. 5,000 a year times 15, close to 70,000 kids probably. By the time they get to the juvenile court, the families and the children are in crisis. The type of kids who are coming to my court for these types of offenses, the alcohol-related offenses, range in age from 8 to 17. A large percentage of these kids probably have been involved in this kind of behavior long before they were referred to the court for some help or for some intervention. Parental supervision is key. In order to keep your child out of the juvenile court system, I usually tell parents, and I actually court order parents, to ask the 4W questions. Who are you going with? Where are you going? Why are you going? And when will you be back? Sometimes a parent doesn't know that they should be asking those questions. You know, parenting skills are something that's a learned behavior, and oftentimes parents have children and they haven't learned how to be good parents themselves. They have to ask those questions in order to protect their child. As long as the child, or anyone for that matter, believes they're going to get away with the behavior, don't expect it to stop. So the accountability factor is first and foremost. And parents are surprised to find out the extent of their involvement or their damaging behavior. So sometimes it's an awakening for everybody. And parents are also forced to deal with reality. But if they come back and they continue to repeat the mistakes, I always tell them the first way to overcome mistakes is to quit repeating it. If you find yourself in a hole, the first thing you do is stop digging, and you're still digging. So we're going to go ahead and see what we can do to stop you from digging. I like the Parents Empowered program, which is a community-wide program, number one, and I like it for a couple of reasons. I like it because it gives parents some tools. It emphasizes bonding, boundaries, and monitoring. Bonding certainly is necessary in order to form attachment to your children's lives, and boundaries enables parents to be empowered to set rules and to be in charge. Monitoring is parental supervision, which is your first job as a parent. I believe that you need to supervise your children. You need to be the one who's in charge and know what's going on with your kids' lives. But I also like Parents Empowered because it educates parents. It tells parents, you know, what are the effects or impact of alcohol for underage drinkers? You know, what impact is that having on their lives? What are the numbers involved? What kind of damage can be done by drinking underage, or drinking period, I suppose. And so it educates parents, it empowers parents, it gives them some tools, and it's a community-wide program, which tells me that they understand that it's going to take a community effort here, not just an individual or a specific program. Because every kid that comes in my court someday is going to have kids. And if we don't teach them the behaviors that they need, the values that they need in order to live productive lives, it's going to impact future generations. We're able to accomplish things, and we've helped tons of kids and families in crisis. I've been on the bench for 15 years, and I can say I'm very proud of what we do here in the state of Utah and Salt Lake City, and it's because of programs like Parents Empowered and other programs where a community is making the effort to change lives, to help young people and help parents, that's making a huge difference.